Are you tired of crash diets and extreme exercise routines? Are you unsure about what and how to eat to lose weight? Wondering which exercises are the most effective for weight loss? Are you feeling discouraged or struggling to stay motivated? Well, you're in luck. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to lose weight in a healthy way, then you've come to the right place. In this exciting video, I'll explore a wealth of tips and tricks to help you on your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Eat slowly. Eating more slowly can help you feel full. Swallow only when the food is all chewed up, and repeat. It takes time to know you're full. Eating slowly not only allows you to enjoy your food more, but gives you better cues of satiety. Enjoy the food you eat. Try new fruits and vegetables. Find out how to prepare new dishes that provide variety and flavor. Add herbs and spices to elevate flavor. Or if you prefer, savor the sweetness of fruit and the depth of raw and steamed vegetables. There's no reason that your relationship with food can't be pleasurable. Keep a daily gratitude journal. Our eating habits are sometimes connected to our emotions, whether we realize it or not. When we're stressed, we may use food to help cope with the stress. Keep a daily journal of things you're grateful for, or even just a journal to write in when stressed, so that you're better prepared to cope with the stress by acknowledging it and utilizing other tools rather than reaching for food as a coping mechanism. Don't forget the weights. Make sure you are lifting weights 2 or 3 times a week. Using moderate to heavy weights, 3 or 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps with weights that challenge you, helps increase your muscle mass. When you have more muscle on your body, the food you eat is more likely to be utilized as fuel, rather than be stored as fat. Get enough sleep. A lack of sleep increases your hunger hormone, ghrelin, and decreases your satisfaction hormone, leptin, which can contribute to weight gain. When we are well rested, our bodies work better. When it comes to eating, that would mean that we would eat when we are truly hungry and eat just until satisfied. Our hormones are also going to be better balanced because our bodies got the time needed to sleep, repair, and refresh. Don't skip meals. When you skip meals, your body goes into starvation mode, or a fasted state, where your brain cues your body to slow down functions to conserve energy and burn less calories. As a result, that weight loss you were hoping for could slow, and you will likely regain weight as soon as you start eating normally again. Stay hydrated. People who drink 2 glasses of water before a meal lose more weight than people who don't drink water before meals. This simple tip works in 2 ways. Thirst can mask itself as hunger, causing you to eat more. And water makes you feel fuller, causing you to eat less during a meal. Cut calories, not flavor. By choosing options such as sharp cheddar over mild cheddar, you can use less, but you'll still get a lot of flavor without feeling like you're on a diet. Reorganize your plate. Make half your plate vegetables, a quarter of your plate whole grains, and a quarter of your plate lean protein. When you switch the portions of grains and vegetables on your plate, you'll see a difference. The only caveat: potatoes, corn, and peas are starchy vegetables, so they go in the grains category. Start where you are and do what you can. Don't feel like you need to overhaul your entire life starting immediately. Assess where you are currently and then figure out where you'd like to be in the future. A great starting point for mostly sedentary people is to get a step counter and see how much you walk on a normal day. Then set a step goal slightly higher than the norm and strive for that, working your way up slowly to a goal of 10,000 steps per day. Think big, not small. There are a few areas that will give you the most bang for your buck when you're trying to lose weight. Prioritizing those and letting go of all the minutiae that contribute to overwhelm will make reaching your goals feel easier and more sustainable. On the nutrition front, pay attention to calories, protein, and fiber. For exercise, prioritize strength training, daily steps, and recovery. Look beyond the scale. While the scale isn't useless, it also isn't the only thing that matters. To help you gauge progress that might not be reflected on the scale, take regular photos and measurements, in addition to keeping a running list of non-scale victories. This will help keep the scale in perspective and show you all the positive changes you're making to your health and overall lifestyle. Give your breakfast a protein boost. Aim for 15 to 25 grams of protein at breakfast. Protein is digested slowly and suppresses hunger hormones, helping keep you full. Additionally, a high-protein breakfast helps curb cravings later in the day. Pair protein foods with fiber and healthy fats, like 2 eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado, or high-protein frozen waffles with nuts and berries. Try to eat mainly whole, minimally processed foods. The multiple processing steps and added ingredients are the reason processed foods taste so good and we keep wanting more. They tend to contain large amounts of added sugars, fats, and salt. Research suggests that people can take in up to 500 more calories a day when they're offered unlimited amounts of ultra-processed foods compared to unprocessed foods. Limit high glycemic carbohydrate foods. Eating high glycemic carbohydrate foods like white potatoes and refined bread, especially when eaten alone, will cause a surge in blood sugar. This leaves you feeling hungry and wanting more food. A person can manage their weight with a low GI diet as part of an overall healthful eating approach. Low GI is 55 or less. Medium GI is 56, 69. High GI is 70 or greater. Eat breakfast like a queen, lunch like a princess, and dinner like a pauper. Consuming more calories at breakfast for weight loss is that it can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Additionally, a bigger breakfast can help you feel fuller longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating later in the day. The research found that those who ate half their daily calories at lunch and then just 20% at dinner managed to lose 5 kilograms on 12 weeks. This is compared to the 4 kilograms that those who had a bigger meal in the evening lost in the same period. Get into meal planning. Meal planning is one of the most important tips for staying healthy and eating well. Taking 5 to 10 minutes over the weekend to write out a menu for the week ahead will save you time, money, and unwanted calories down the road. Menu planning is a great way to stay organized and know what groceries you need to buy and what you already have on hand, and it will help ensure a balanced plate. Keep in mind, a night off from cooking and ordering takeout or making a frozen meal is a totally acceptable part of the menu plan. The benefit is knowing ahead that you'll be doing that so you're not scrounging when hunger sets in. And be sure to write down the plan. You're more likely to stick to it if it's in front of you as a reminder. Read food labels. Food labels give you a clear picture of what you're really getting, and if you want to lose weight healthfully, it's not just about how many calories you're getting, it's also about what kind of calories you're getting. To make sure that your meals are valuable, be sure that you're getting a balance of nutrients without overdoing sodium, sugar, and saturated fat. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.